Police Commissioner Darryl Brown.
He's trying to avoid Rick.
Yeah, he was here for a second. Darryl Brown, Police Commissioner, was in the building. All right, here we go, y'all. Dun, 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 dun. Rick Ector. NRA.
Thank you for allowing me to speak. Very first thing I want to say, and I mean it truly, despite our ideological differences to a degree with regards to guns, I want to thank you for putting on this forum. I think that many people are adventurous enough to actually put together such an agenda and actually implement it. So I give a lot of credit to you for putting this forum together. And you know what? Give Reggie Ridge a hand. Right. It's like a generation. It's no secret that I'm a gun right now. I'm a lifelong city of Detroit resident for many years. Actually, this is my neighborhood. I only stay a couple of months. It was actually not too long ago, maybe 14 years ago, where I didn't even know it, to be quite honest. All I had was a 12-gauge shotgun. I bought it because I was a homeowner. And as a homeowner, it's one of those rites of passages that your elder generation, they put their hand around your shoulder and say, hey, you're a homeowner, you're the man in the house, it's your job to provide social protection to your family. If someone comes into your home, you handle business, and you make that person regret coming into your home, or you retire. And that's just flat out how it is. I wasn't a huge fan of fair numbers. I wasn't against them, I wasn't for them, but that all changed one fall evening as I was coming home from work. The night was pretty much similar like it is today. It's dark around 5 p.m. in the evening. You park your car in the garage, you close the garage door, and you come out and there's two young men, 18, 19, 20 years old. They robbed me right along the driveway. So I had a decision to make. Do I do nothing? No. Do I sell my home at a loss? Move into another community? No. Do I empower myself? Do I embrace lawful, justified use of firearms and personal protection? Sure. And it was just my luck that during that era, we had a system of legislation here in the state of Michigan overturned, pretty much, where we had a discretionary process with regards to concealed pistol licenses. You see, believe it or not, gun control is racist.
Yes.
Only individuals who are allowed in that era to have concealed pistol licenses were individuals who were very important. VIPs, congressmen, legislators, mayors, city council, police officers, if they wanted to.
They didn't even bother with the other question.
And it's like the common man couldn't get it in the city of Detroit because our county government was not issuing them. Pretty much because we're black people.
Yep.
You went to Oakland County, you went to Macomb County. They were handing these licenses out to everyone like hotcakes. How in the world did we get this legislation? I'll tell you. In 1925, there was a very, very historic case that occurred no other than here in Detroit, Michigan.
Yep.
There was a man who went to school here. He graduated. He went to college. His name was Dr. Asim Sweet. Dr. Sweet lived in an impoverished neighborhood because of racism, redlining of property. So he conspired with the white homeowners to buy the home in secrecy. He bought that home and he moved into that residence. When the white people in that community found out that Dr. Sweet moved into the neighborhood, no less than 500 people were congregated outside of his house and constituted a mob. The police were called. No laws were broken. Nothing was done. Eventually, day 3, that mob fired into that black man's home over on Garland Street. He returned fire. 2 of those 500 people that were attacking his home was killed. The police then decided to act. They stormed the home. They arrested everyone there. and they started out with Dr. Sweet. Back then, there was no such thing as a right to remain silent. There was no Miranda. There were no rights that we take for granted when we are accused of crimes. Yet still, in 1925, this black doctor on Garland Street, he was exonerated by an all-white jury. Because back then, in 1925, even then, they realized how important it is to have the right to carry a gun in self-defense. In response to that, in 1927, the Michigan legislature enacted the Michigan Firearms Act. And in that act, it was a laundry list of all gun control that you could ever conceive and think about. Luckily, through gun rights activism over the last 22 years, we've gotten a lot of those racist restrictions struck down. There's still one that still remains. Handgun registration. It buys you absolutely nothing who is the original owner of a firearm, and it provides zero use in crime fighting. Why do I say all this? Because I keep hearing more and more gun control, and it's not going to do anything. I was going to speak with my friend, Representative Wittenberg. I got a chance to have a few words with him before he left. He has this red flag bill that he's pushing in the legislature. He's not here, so I'm not going to even discuss it. Here's the thing. With regards to red flag law legislation, it proposes to take guns away from people who have not committed a crime. It's individuals who've been merely accused. As a matter of fact, they don't even get their day in court. They conduct a secret hearing in privacy, and once they decide that the charges are serious enough, they conduct a midnight through pre-dawn raid upon your residence. You're unaware that this raid is happening. They storm your home, and if they don't kill you, they take your guns and leave you standing there. Imagine that. Police officers raiding a man's home who's not been convicted of anything. What has happened was unfounded, unproven allegations were made. He did not have his day in court. He could not defend himself. It is the death of due process, which is very important in this country, to have all of your rights and to be tried and then found guilty and then punished. You don't punish people and then make them prove themselves to be innocent later. That red flag bill is worthless. We already have legislation on the books in every state in the union, all 50 states. If someone has given someone reason to believe that that person is a threat to himself or some other person, you can have that person picked up and evaluated for 72 hours. Here's the thing with the focus on that law. The focus is on the person. You're getting the person the treatment and the help they need. You're not looking to steal their property in a raid that was justified without the means and the ability to face your accuser and to have your day in court. It's the most un-American thing in the world.
Amen.
That's all I have to say.
Amen.
Mr. Rick Ector, I appreciate that. Hey, pause. So I want to say this. So I appreciate you and your astuteness on gun laws, the history of guns. Thank you. I learn a lot from you every time I hear you speak. I have a question for you.
Absolutely.
What's the answer, Rick Ector, to ending the senseless gun violence here in the city of Detroit with a focus on our young people, the young boys between the ages of 13 and 20?
First and foremost, the solution is not taking the guns away from law-abiding citizens and making it more difficult for law-abiding citizens to have guns, and not making it possible for frivolous laws like red flag laws to violate someone's constitutional rights. There is no single answer to the violent problem.
Amen.
It's a multifaceted problem, and it requires a lot of people from a lot of different areas and spheres of influence. It includes elimination of poverty.
Yes.
Detroit is continually the most impoverished city in America.
Absolutely.
Education.
Yes.
The Detroit school system is a hot mess.
Yes.
You cannot get a quality education in the city of Detroit.
I know more.
Transportation is an issue. You can't get a decent job in the city of Detroit. You probably got to catch 3 or 4 buses out into the suburbs to get a $10 an hour job. There was this one guy who went so far, what they call him, the walking man. You guys remember that story? This guy walked literally, he had no time to sleep. He walked to work, and after he finished working his shift, he walked back home. Our problem is bad. It is dire. It is not guns. Yes, guns are used by criminals to ply their violent trade. Making it more difficult for law-abiding citizens to have, own, and carry guns is not the answer, and you're barking up the wrong tree if you support that.
Thank you. Mr.
Amen.
Rick Ector, everybody.